Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you one of the important AWS service, load balancer, and especially application load balancer. You will understand why do we need load balancer. What is load balancer? It distributes traffic across multiple EC2 server, improves the application's availability. So let's start the practical and understand load balancer. Now can you see the application AWS console? So once I log in, you can see this kind of interface, guys. So already I log in, and now first what I will do, first I will show you EC2 where we have two instances I need to launch, guys. So for this practical, I need to launch two EC2 instances, which I already launched these two machine, guys. Go to the instances. Now can you see instances running? So for this practical, to save the time, I already launched two machine, guys. And how to launch the machine, you already know. If you didn't watch my previous video, please go and watch the previous video how to launch a machine. And on AWS, I will give the link in the description. Please guys go and watch it. So now here I have two machine running. See, this machine is terminated. Now I have two server 1 and server 2. Can you see this, guys? These machines running. Now what I will do here, guys, I will click this one, the machine which is running, not this one, guys. I will click the server 1 machine. Now can you see it's running, and status check, always check the status, guys. It's check pass. Now go public IP address, copy this public IP address and go to the browser. Now click this public IP address. Now can you see welcome from server 1. So the machine is running, and in this machine I install one Apache server and start the Apache server and add an index.html file. So please go and watch the previous video. I shown everything in that. Now go to second one, guys. Now go to second one, server 2, guys, running, and check the status check. Now check this one. Once you click, go to the public IP address, copy it and click here, copy it and hit. Now can you see welcome from server 2, and this is from welcome from server 1. So we have two instances, guys, running successfully. Now the problem is, guys, if this server goes down due to high traffic, or maybe the server crash or slow, so in this situation what he will do, user will continuously try to connect this server but unable to get the response. So for this reason, to avoid such thing, to avoid the unhealthy server, or to avoid to give the high availability or fault tolerance, that's why the concept of load balancer comes into picture, guys. So what we need, see here we have two URL. So we need to give the public IP address to the customer. If this fail, but the customer doesn't know why this fail, and we are giving two, maybe maybe in the future we have 3, 4, 5. You can't give different URL, different IP address to the customer. That's why what the best practice is, do one thing to avoid all such things. There's a concept of load balancer. So load balancer, can you see, guys, load balancer? But before creating load balancer, guys, there is a concept of target group. Target group is nothing but it's a bridge between load balancer and your EC2 instances. So you have two EC2 instances which providing the same application, guys. Can you see welcome from server 1 and welcome from server 2. So we have this. I want to register this with a target group and give this target group to this load balancer. So first we need to create a target group, guys. To go and create target group, and you are creating a target group where to these instances you have right now two instances up and running. A target group can made up of one or more targets. You can create target group for one instances also and multiple also. So in our case, I'm showing you with two instances, guys, and the type is you can select instances, IP address, Lambda application load balancer. As of now, what we have two two instances running, and that's why you need to go and target type instances. So now give the name of the target group name. I'm giving app tg. You can give any name, guys. App, you can give app, let it be tg only. You can give any name here, it doesn't matter. For your understanding, this I'm giving app tg, application target group. Now important thing is, can you see protocol? This is very important, guys. So because your application running Apache server running on the protocol HTTP, so you have to select this only. Which kind of application Apache server as of now running on the HTTP, because it support HTTP and HTTPS, but this time I'm selecting HTTP. Next, port number. Your Apache server running on which port number, you have to give that port number only, guys, otherwise your application won't work. Now address, IP address type is what? IPv4, so go with that only. And VPC, by default your application running in one virtual private cloud. So here in this case VPC is default, we did not created any new custom VPC, so that's why leave this only. In future I will show you VPC, then you will understand. And HTTP protocol version, let it be the same one. And health checks, how will check? Based on HTTP. Now for the health check, every time load balancer will check your application, and if it is not okay, if it is not running, then it will distribute the traffic to the healthy server. In this time index.html, why I am giving? In my Apache server I had one file that is called index.html file, so that is the default page. So what happened, load balancer will go and check this if it is healthy or not. If it is not healthy, it route the traffic to the healthy server. If your name is written welcome or home, to go that name on, give that name only, guys. Don't give this name, because in my case I had already done this one, so I am giving this one. Next important thing, guys, just go and create a target group. That's it. Now register target. Now this is very important, guys. Can you see? I want this two server to register with the target group. To selected port number 80, port for routing traffic to select instances. So as of now the server is running on the port number 80, that's why it's showing here 80. If it is different, give that name only. Now click this include as pending. Now can you see this? We created target group and we register these two instances. Now go and click on next and then create a target group. Now successfully created a target group. Now we're done with the target group, guys. Click the target group. Now can you see app tg, port number 80, protocol HTTP. Now can you see, guys, is there any load balancer associated with that, with this target group? No. It means that we did not create any target group, load balancer. Now go here, go to load balancer. Very important, this one, create load balancer. Now compare and select load balancer. What kind of load balancer you want? Application load balancer, network load balancer, gateway load balancer. Now guys, we are dealing with application load balancer which support HTTP and HTTPS protocol. For the web applications, these applications support. For network load balancer, TCP UDP protocol support, and for the gateway load balancer, this is support. Okay, so now what we are doing, selecting application load balancer, and for the previous generation there is one more classic, so we are not going with this, we are going with the application load balancer for the web application, guys. Next, give the load balancer name. Basic configuration, just give the load balancer name. I'm giving ALB -app, any name you can give. Next important thing, see, this is very important again, internet facing or internal facing. So my load balancer, if I create, that load balancer will connect to the internet. If you are connecting through the load balancer internet, then you give the internet facing. And maybe if you have security, more say multiple application on that time, if your load balancer inside your private internet, so go with the internal. So here we have internet facing. Okay. Next, load balancer IP address type is IPv4. Leave it. And next important, where is your instance is running in the default VPC. So your load balancer is also in the same VPC. If EC2 your instance is running in the different VPC and you're giving load balancer to different VPC, then you're not able to connect it, guys. Very important, very important. Now see, my instance is running in AP South 1. I selected AP South 1 for one instances, and for the second instances I selected AP South B. So select this way, load balancer, give AP South 1, because here I launched two instances in two different subnet. So give this load balancer to the two subnet, and please watch my previous video. You will understand how to launch and how to give select the subnet. Next, default, we did not have any new custom, so live with the default only. Important again, listener and routing port. So which protocol we are selected? HTTP protocol, guys. Go with this port number 80. If you have different port number, give this different port number. Next, default action, your forwarding to target groups. What you are doing, load balancer will forward the traffic to where? Routing action, forward to target groups, or redirect to URL, or return to fixed response. In this time, what we did, we created a target group and forwarding to target group only. So select the target group, forward to target group. Now click here. Can you see we have one target group created with two instances, guys? Click this one. Target on target group thickness. I don't want this one. I don't want to show this one. If you click this, so for some time it will stick to one server or second server. We will see later on. Now go. I don't want Amazon CloudFront. I don't want firewall, application firewall, guys. And CloudFront also, I taught one of my videos. Please go and watch that also. Very important, Amazon CloudFront. Why this is, you will understand once you will watch my previous video. I will give also link in the description. Again, I don't want this one firewall because our application is not that much. It's for the practical purpose. We don't want AWS Global Accelerator also. Now go and create load balancer. Okay, we successfully created a load balancer also. Guys, now go to the load balancer. Now can you see name of the load balancer? State is provisioning. Once it will show you active, then we can copy the load balancer DNS name and see how it will work. Okay. So we have two availability zone and default VPC. This DNS name we will copy it and we will see. So once it will not show, guys, provisioning, we cannot get the output. Can you see? If I'll go, and one important thing, go to a target group, guys, once more, and can you see, guys, is there any load balancer associated? We already associated with this in load balancer, you had seen. So do one thing, refresh it. Now can you see this target group now associated with the load balancer, which is supporting protocol 80. Okay. Now guys, go to load balancer and still provisioning, guys. If I copy this DNS name, copy DNS name, guys. Now come here and copy this and try to hit. Can you see this side can't be reached? Why I'm getting this output? Because still it's showing provisioning. That's the reason I'm not getting the output correct. And one important thing, guys, before it's showing me active, I will show you some more thing. Go to security group, guys. We have two instances running. Let me go and refresh one more time. Let me see. Still provisioning. Before that, I will show you some important thing. Go to instances, guys. See, guys, we have server 1 running and server 2 running. So I will show you important thing, so it will not be, you will not confuse. Once you click this, go here and not monitoring. Let me refresh. And check one. Wait. Yeah. Now can you see guys security? In security guys, go to default security, go here and click. This is important guys. If you will miss this, you will not able to access this. Let me wait why it's taking time. Yeah, see, always remember when you launch instances, you will see in the security group inbound rules and outbound rules. So by default, all the traffic is why inbound is not allowed guys. Go to the inbound, edit inbound rules, and can you see guys HTTP protocol, we are accessing from here. So it's accepting what? HTTP protocol. That's why we had given HTTP protocol, and where it is running port number 80. If you will miss this one, if you will not add from here guys, if you will not add from here, you will not able to access it. So always check this one, which protocol you are accessing. If I am connecting from the PuTTY server, it's accepting SSH protocol. So this is important. Now again go to the load balancer guys. Go to load balancer. Now again refresh it. Let's see whether it's showing me. Oh, now it's showing me active guys. Okay. Now go here and refresh it. Wow, can you see? We are getting the output from server 1. Refresh it. Refresh it. Oh, now we are getting the output from the server 2. So with the one DNS name with the URC, now we don't have multiple URL names, and still we can access it. 1, 2, 1, 2. Based on the algorithm, round robin algorithm, it is giving me this output. But see how nice now. Guys, now suppose what I will do, if here what I will do, one more thing, last thing I'm going to cover this one. Go to instances guys. Now server 1, can you see? I'm going to stop here guys. If I will stop this server will not respond. So this means this server is unhealthy. If it is unhealthy, so load balancer will not route the traffic to the unhealthy server. Let's see whether it is really done or not. Okay, let me do this. Can you see it stopped? So now server 1 is not in a running state. So now go and refresh it. See, multiple times if you refresh, you will get the response from the server 2. Wait. Just wait. Let me wait. See, Apache from server 2, Apache welcome from server 2. Can you see guys how nice load balancer working? What it did? See, this stop. See the healthy. We registered two instances guys, right? Now what we did, we stopped one, but still the user will not face any problem, because the load balancer, what it did, route the traffic to the healthy server. That's the concept of load balancer. So guys, I done with the practical. Please watch my previous video where I shown how to launch EC2 instances, and with this one more concept, CloudFront also has shown. So I done the practical. After this, in the next video, I will show you the one more concept is auto scaling group. If its scenario is you have traffic high, your system crashes, maybe in the night, so you need to go to manually, you need to create it. Load balancer will not go and create instances. It distributes the traffic to the multiple EC2 instances, and on the healthy server, If any healthy server goes down, it will route the traffic to the healthy server, but it cannot create, guys. So if you want that kind of concept also, so there is one more concept, that is auto scaling group. This one I'm going to cover in the upcoming lecture, upcoming video, guys. So thanks for watching this video. And one important thing, once you done the practical, guys, please release the resources. So what I will do for your understanding, go to instances, all the instances, guys, terminated. Once done the practical, please do this, is very, very important. Otherwise you will get a bill, but if you are the first user of the AWS, you will get 200 credit, so you don't need to think much. But for the best practice, you have to remove first. Go and first you need to remove what, guys? Terminate. This is running. Okay, done. There is one more, guys. Server 2 is also running. Click here, and this also remove this. Terminate this one also. Once you terminate the EC2 instances, now go to where? Now go to load balancer, guys. Don't leave this. Go to load balancer and go to action, and can you see delete load balancer? Delete load balancer. Confirm here. Confirm. Oh, not so, spelling mistake. Delete. If yes, yeah, we deleted the load balancer also. Now go and delete, guys. How I am deleting? There's the same way you delete. Otherwise, if you're deleting load balancer without deleting the instances, it won't allow, because it's showing you already there one instance is running. So go to the target group now and delete the target group also. You can see delete target, delete this also. Okay, once you're done, go to dashboard and refresh the. Now can you see instances running 0, load balancer 0. Okay, so that's the practical. Please do the practical, and in next video I will come up with the concept of auto scaling group. So I am ending this video, guys. Thanks for watching.